guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. What time is it, Mum?
It's Birchbox time.
It's Birchbox time.
And the right month.
And the right month, yeah. We missed February's because Mum didn't obviously get home until the beginning of March.
Yeah.
And then it was like the 10th of March or something, wasn't it, when we were going to do it? And we just thought it was a bit late. So this is March's box. How much does it cost?
£12.95. Including postage.
You go, girl.
Oh, you go, go.
I like the drawer.
Yeah, it doesn't weigh very much.
No, it doesn't.
It feels quite light.
But it's a snazzy
Box.
packaging.
But you're not buying it for the box.
You like the boxes, so you keep them.
I know. I don't know
Okay.
why.
You don't. I don't know why you actually get Birchbox.
I don't know.
You don't
I
use
keep
anything.
threatening to cancel it.
Right,
don't
okay.
I?
It's got quite a lot in it. Right, what does it say? Whether you're juggling career ladder climbing and an active social life or balancing frantic school runs with looming deadlines, us ladies are pretty incredible. This month we're leaning into multitasking mode and celebrating beauty products that will help make your busy life a little easier. Just remember, whatever this crazy world throws at us, you go, girl.
I think they're talking to me. I think they may be talking to you, but not me. Right, okay, the first thing we have is Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Conditioning Shampoo.
So this,
Lucy will do the demonstrating because I'm not very good at it.
there you go. The camera doesn't like doing it. Fuck you, camera.
There's no need to swear.
Tresses in distress. Ditch the sulfates and give tired, dull strands a hydration wake-up with this conditioning shampoo. Creamy, rich formula gently cleanses and deeply hydrates hair with a fusion of coconut oil and Tahitian
Ooh, smell.
monoe. That smells lovely. Massage into wet hair.
Smells all coconut.
Smells really nice. It smells like
coconut.
yeah, like so when you go on holiday.
Yeah.
That's
That
really
smells
nice.
really nice.
You'll definitely use that then.
Yeah, that's
We've got a
staying in
winner.
my little pot.
Go on,
Right, the next thing is a little pink box with, it's got
What is it?
You Go Girl on it, has it?
What is it?
I don't know.
Oh, it's a bronzer.
A bronzer.
It doesn't want to focus. It says the beauty crop. Can I open it? So this is £8.
No, it can't be.
It's cheap, Mum, for a
Oh, is
bronzer.
it? Sorry.
Yeah. I've got my hair's all falling out.
Okay, we're opening this little box.
So it says cheat a sun kiss glow with this bronzer from the beauty crop, loaded with antioxidant rich green tea to energise and refresh. This long lasting, long wearing formula lasts all day. Dust over cheeks with a big fluffy brush for a healthy glow.
I don't know how to get it open, darling.
But it's a stupid size for a bronzer, it's tiny.
Can you get it open?
It's because we've got nails. Oh my god. Oh my god.
See,
How is
it
that
wasn't just
difficult?
me.
There we go.
Lucy's an expert and she struggled.
Yeah, I'm not really an expert.
Well,
It's quite little for a bronzer.
And that's
Have a look at that.
£8.
Yeah. It's quite a nice colour though. Quite pale. It'd be far too pale for you, but
particularly at the minute.
yeah, like no makeup, a month in India.
Right. Oh, I don't.
That's
like
all right,
it. Yeah.
but
Yeah, you can have
I don't
that.
think that's worth.
Do you want it?
I wouldn't.
No.
I don't think it's worth £8.
Do you want it?
Yeah, I'll have it because
All right.
it's the right colour for me.
Right. Okay. This is something called.
It's Charlotte Tilbury, which is cray
I've
expensive.
never heard of her.
Very posh.
I thought Tilbury were docks.
I don't know what you're talking about. Charlotte Tilbury, Scent of a Dream, an award-winning, effortlessly beautiful fragrance. £49 for full size. Lemon, peach, black pepper with
Right. Okay.
heart of hypnotic florals, jasmine, tuberose, violet, and patchouli.
Are we ready?
Don't spray on me. At least it's a spray. I hate it when you get the ones that are a little
Oh, it's
stick.
quite powerful.
God, that smells like. That smells a bit like your one that you like.
No, it doesn't smell anything
it
like
does.
Paloma Picasso.
It does.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
No,
it
doesn't.
does smell
No,
like Paloma
does
Picasso.
does not smell like Paloma Picasso. Doesn't. Honest.
That is like a smell from my childhood. So you smell
yeah,
of.
that's real.
That smells like you.
Right. Thanks. Thank you.
That's a very
Thank
you
you.
perfume.
Right, now we've got another little tube of
Cordially.
Cordially
Vino Sauce SOS Thirst Quenching Serum.
So what does this do?
Featherweight 97% natural oil-free serum restores skin's balance,
look.
creating a perfect base for makeup. Like all
Oh, I
Cordially,
put it on my hand.
Cordially's lovely
It's
apparently.
supposed to be for makeup, is it?
Well, no, it's just.
I've just
it's
wasted
for parched
that on
skin.
my
Apply
hand
morning and
then.
night to cleanse skin.
Look.
It'd be nice for your Caudalie is a very good brand for skincare.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, okay.
But it's just a little.
Let me just do the lid
Full
up.
size is £29. This
That
is a little
doesn't actually
sample.
smell of anything.
There you go, camera. You sort of did it a little bit.
Well, that's very small. What else?
But you won't need a lot of that.
Oh, we've got something here.
Are we missing? No, this is
Cello?
Cella? Eyebrow defining gel in clear.
Ooh.
Between pencils and powders, there's a lot you can do on your brows, but sometimes less is more, and that's where this clear brow gel comes in. Let it lift and tame the hairs and lock them into place.
I don't think I'll be needing that because I haven't got very many.
You haven't, have you?
No, you can have that then,
Let's
dear.
have a little go. I haven't
You
got
have a
anything
little
on my
go.
eyebrows. I haven't got anything on my face.
She's just
at all
putting
today.
some on now. See, I don't know what it's going to do
It
because
just-
you can't actually see it because it's clear.
You just,
So only you will know you've got it on because nobody
you see, it
else
just
will
like puts
see
them all
it.
in the same. It's like hairspray for your eyebrows.
All right, that's different.
But I normally do like darken them and then put this on so they stay in place.
All right, where are they going to go? They're not
No,
gonna
like if
fall
I've
off,
got
are
dark on, you don't want it to rub off in the rain.
they? So it makes
And
it
it
like
kind of locks it
waterproof,
into
does
place,
it? Oh,
yeah.
that's clever then. Right.
And your last
Okay,
thing,
it's purple and it's called a Generation
clay, ultraviolet
Ultraviolet.
brightening purple clay
And
mask.
it's purple.
Meet the next big thing in masking, packed with Australian superfruit, Davidson plum, plus clay, obviously, desert lime and aloe vera. It brightens, boosts hydration, reduces oil and minimises the appearance of pores. Apply a thin layer, leave for 10 minutes and then rinse.
Well, I can't even get the silver bit off, so. What's that, Poppet?
Are you not helping me with a puzzle?
We'll come and help you in a minute, baby.
But I say, until I say,
I like the packaging.
Yeah, and is it purple?
It doesn't look purple. It looks kind of like mauvey. It kind of looks like the colour of the walls in here, like grey purple.
Oh, it's like a very pale.
Oh yeah, lilac on your skin.
Lilac-y
Yeah.
colour. There you go. Can you see that?
Just makes mum look a bit ashy there.
Yeah.
But it is like a lilac-y colour.
Yeah. Oh, that's
It's
interesting.
a face mask.
Yeah, so how many will that be? One or two?
What?
Or
What, that
Yeah.
will probably do you like 3
three?
or 4. Because you only need like a little layer.
And then there's a card thing.
And that's 15% off everything at Birchbox. We'll link that, that's it. And then
there's some
next month, you get to
stuff.
pick your highlighter.
All
An
right.
estate baked highlighter, afterglow or lit. When they ask you what you want, say you want lit.
When will they ask me about that?
I don't know, I'm assuming you'll get an email.
All right then.
But that's on the back there.
Okay.
What do you think then?
It's all right. A bit different. Not
Yeah.
the same old things as normal.
No. So it's quite a good one.
Yeah, it was okay. So
I can't remember what you got last month. I know we opened it, but we didn't film it.
no, it wasn't very exciting.
I got a brush. I got a Luxie
Oh
brush.
yeah, you took the blush
But I
out
can't remember
straight
what
away,
you.
didn't you?
Yeah, I can't remember what you got in
It
it.
was so
So
exciting.
it can't have been that exciting.
No, so don't worry about
Yeah,
it.
that was Birchbox for March. I will leave all the links down below for you guys. And Mum's going to do the outro because we're going to go shopping.
Yeah, we're gonna go shopping.
I need to ask her.
Nothing very exciting. And if you like watching Lucy's channel, you can subscribe by pressing a button somewhere.
Everyone wants you to have your own channel.
I don't want my own channel. I'm quite happy just doing yours. Thank you.
Everybody says they want you to have
people
your own
my
channel.
age don't do channels. No, I'm quite happy to feature on yours.
Everyone wants
Yeah.
you to have your own one. I'm just saying.
No, I'll just stick
Give
with
the
you,
people
thank
what they
you,
want.
darling. And what else do I say?
Whatever you want.
I don't know. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.